Bhoi district is set to witness the emergence of a landmark initiative with a foundation stone laid for the Bhoi Bamboo Park, the first of its kind in Meghalaya. The project's inauguration at Mautanoam was led by James P.K. Sangma, chairman of the Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation, marking a pivotal step towards sustainable development and innovation in the state. The event was attended by Umsning MLA Dr. Celestine Lingdor, MIDC Managing Director D.D. Nongmali, headman of Mautanoam Village and others. Addressing the gathering, Sangma underscored the transformative potential of bamboo, often referred to as green gold.
Because I truly believe that this project has the potential and it will change the socio-economic landscape of this total area. The effort of the MIDC is today to promote circular industry, to promote the circular economy, and to promote sustainable industries.
The CASA students